welcome everyone to Justin and Keely. I am going to be doing a Juvia's Place eyeshadow tutorial-ish today, featuring this look. All the products I'm using today are going to be in the description box below, along with what I used for my complexion before I started with the eyeshadow. So give it a look there if you saw anything that you wanted to try out. Let me know if there's any other looks you want me to try out or any other makeup brands or palettes, and we'll give it a go. Alright, let's get started. I'm really excited about this video because I'm going to be using something from Juvia's Place. It's the Festival palette, and I love Juvia's Place. It's a black women-owned business, and the shades are meant to be highly pigmented so that they can show up really well on all skin types, which means we all get really beautiful, highly pigmented shades. This white here, I've never seen a white that isn't just glitter before, so it actually shows up on my skin tone, and I'm excited to use it in this video. I'm not entirely sure what this look is going to end up being. I swatched all of the shades from the palette earlier after I got it, and I just like all of them so much, so I guess I'm going to see what I end up making, and I hope you all like it and it looks good. Alright, so I'm gonna start with Ofala right here. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go and make a little wing with it. Alright. And I'm just gonna do the other eye, kind of the same. I'm just like patting it on into the pattern, and then I use the blending brush to make the edges look a little more messy. I'm hoping to, there's a style that Nikki Tutorials does where there's like this section, and the middle section is the same like kind of monochromatic scheme, instead of doing like a corner highlight, so I wanted to give that a try. We'll see if it works. I'm already feeling so happy with this coral color with my jacket. It's very cute. Alright, so I'm gonna now get some of this lighter orange color called Mmanwu. I hope I'm really not mispronouncing things. And this is just a fluffier brush from LaRousse. It's called Tapered Blending, and I'm going to try to put it on the top here to kind of give a shadow, but look like a fuzzy edge, like it gets, make it look like the color is getting thinner on the outline. I'm just gonna do that to the other eye as well. I've never done makeup like while using a handheld mirror, so excuse me if I'm not giving all the angles. Very good. Alright, so now that I have that done, I'm going to go back to the shadow brush just to pack it in a little more on the inside. I did. Again, just for a transition. I want kind of to follow this angle here. Alright, so now I'm going to take some of the Ofala again and go on my inner corner and try to match the angle. Let's see if it works. Not sure how it's looking so far, but I'm going to go ahead and put the peach kind of color on the edge of that. Alright, so now that that is on, I'm going to put this white color called Uli right here. And I'm going to put that in between the two, and hopefully it's gorgeous and I don't look crazy. Alright, so I added in a little bit of the gold color into this stripe, the Odogwu, just to make it tie into like the oranginess of the look a little better. So now I'm going to go on my lower lash line in a second. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on my lower lash line with the pink called Burage right here, and I'm gonna put that in my lower lash line. This is just so pigmented. I've never had a color go on my lower lash line so easily in my life. Alright, so I'm just gonna pull a little bit of the peach shade underneath my lower lash line for fun. Alright, so I'm gonna go put on some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have lashes on, and I'm going to now put on some lipstick from the Kylie by the Grinch collection called A Wonderful Awful Idea. Alright, so here's the finished look. I hope you all like it, and I hope it inspires you to play with some colors and maybe try out these really super pigmented eyeshadows. It's been a really long week with work and getting ready for the holidays, so I had a really fun time just getting to be creative and hang out here with you all. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!